Hi guys, welcome back to Magneq software. So today we have a very interesting and important topic to discuss: how to crack the interview if you are not fluent in the English. Okay, so what happens, if you are when we are not fluent in the English, we know the answer but we are unable to give the right in a proper way. We'll be like a very silent and very calm, so there it gets the negative impression. So what we have to do before attending the interview, we need to practice the answers. Like, we all know the what are the questions in the first round, in the HR round, questions will be asked. So before attending the actual interview, we need to practice the answers. Make the list of the questions which are fluently asked in the question interview. So practice that answer into day, like make sure that it should be a day-to-day activity. Okay, so practice each and every answer in English only. Okay, so you can go in the front of the mirror and practice the answers. Even you can record your voice and practice the answer. When you record the voice, no, so you can know that day to day how much you have improved. So do that. First, Google the questions. What are the most frequently interviewed questions? Get those questions and write the answers and practice it thoroughly, day to day. Thoroughly, you have to practice it. Go in the front of the mirror. Do make sure your facial expressions and everything is very on the point, and try to practice it as many times as you. Okay, and even you can record, and as in the voice also you can notice the changes, like in a day how much you have improved, how in day to day how much you are improving in your voice base. Okay, so next thing what we have to do, this is the first point, that practicing the answers. Okay, so next thing is that research. Research about the company, about the job role you are applying. Okay, so that you can get the most key points in that. So in this way you can add the key points in your answers. Research about the roles and responsibilities of those posts, and also about the company. Is it a IT or IT sector or non-IT sector? You have to research about it. So after researching that, then you will be getting a clear idea what is it about the company, what is it about the job role. There you can get the confidence by researching with this. You can get the confidence in your answer. They can see that. Okay, the third point will be, it's about use the non-verbal conversation. What does it mean? It's about the expression, your the body language and your facial expressions. Okay, so this comes under, make sure, as we know that we are not good in the communication, so at least we'll focus on our body language. Okay, so be confident and make a proper eye contact and also a smiley face. Okay, so that they can understand that you are very much interested in this job role. So in this way you can show how much you are interested in this job role, how much you are interested in this company. So this is how you can improve. So that's the reason what you have to do go in the front of the mirror, practice the answers, repeat the answers, repeat the questions, and you can see how your day to day your facial expressions has been improved and where you have to improve. In this way you can do it. And the fourth point will be, you should be very clear and neat. Your answer should not be in a confusing way. They should be very clear. They should be very in the fluent way. So don't confuse. If you try to confuse the interviewer, then she'll go to some other option, so some other candidate. So that's the reason what you have to do. Make it very clear your answer, and be louder, and don't be like hesitate to say. So that's the reason what we have to do is get the first thing, like we have to practice the questions, whatever the answers, get the Google questions, most interviewed questions, and we are practicing it. And the second point is about research the company and the rules and responsibilities of the job post. And the third point is use the non-verbal conversation, which is a body language and facial expressions. Okay, and the fourth one is being very clear and neat. And this is how you can crack the interview if you are not fluent in the communication. Thank you guys.